Insurance is the financial tool that lets you hedge against any kind of risk. There are risks associated with usage of every one of your possessions and especially your vehicles, including cars. Even though you may be the perfect car driver, you still cannot eliminate all risks associated with driving cars on roads. You have no control over how others drive, which puts your safety in jeopardy at times. That's when auto insurance can come to your rescue. There is a wide spectrum of auto insurance coverage policies for you to choose from. Full coverage and liability insurance are the two extreme ends of the spectrum. In this article, we identify the differences between these two different types of auto insurance policies and provide information about the coverage, which they offer. Full coverage auto insurance versus liability insurance comparison. An auto insurance company offers a range of policies that vary in the types of coverage that they provide, and the premium amount that you may have to pay is directly proportional to the degree of risk the insurance company is taking on your behalf. Basic differences. Getting a liability insurance is mandatory in all U.S. states when buying a new car. It is the bare minimum amount of auto insurance coverage that every car driver in USA must pay for. Such an insurance policy covers the damages inflicted by your vehicle on some other vehicle in an accident. This includes coverage for bodily injury and any property damage caused because of your mistake as a driver. Check out what is the bare minimum amount of liability insurance that you need to pay for in your state. On the other hand, a full coverage insurance provides much more than bare minimum coverage. It includes collision coverage, pays for car damages due to collision with other vehicles, and comprehensive coverage that pays for damages caused due to natural disasters, vandalism and other such causes. Unlike liability insurance, buying full coverage auto insurance is not binding by law in any U.S. state. Comparison of features. Full coverage auto insurance may or may not include collision coverage. You can opt out of the collision coverage if you want. The cost of full coverage insurance is obviously higher than that of a liability insurance policy, as it covers a greater amount of risk. A new car owner may get away with just liability insurance, but it's good to opt for full coverage in the long run. While liability coverage will only pay for damage inflicted on other vehicles, it won't pay for your own car's repairs. On the other hand, a full coverage auto insurance covers the repair costs of your car too. It is not tough to decide which is the better option to go for. Go for a liability and full coverage insurance combination. I would personally recommend that you check out the full coverage insurance quotes and opt for it, instead of settling for the bare minimum cover provided by liability insurance. That's because this comprehensive auto insurance cover lets you rest easy about any car-related financial risk, while also paying for bodily injury, if any, that may occur in an accident. Cheap full coverage, with low premiums are available. All you have to do is spend some time in analyzing and researching the quotes made available by auto insurance companies and select one, which ideally suits your requirements.